Hey, what is up you guys? My name is Annie. Welcome back to my channel. Unless of course this is the first time you're here, then hi, welcome. So something you might notice is I'm filming in 60 frames per second rather than the 30. So if this looks different and annoying, tell me. Also, if you hear a saw in the background, my dad is doing yard work. Try to ignore that. I am so excited for today's video because it is a Pinterest themed video. I love Pinterest. I spend most of my time on Pinterest coming up with outfit inspiration and food inspiration. So since I've been spending so much time on Pinterest, I've been looking for outfits that I can recreate, hence this video. But I found way too many, so I thought it would be fun to put like a head-to-head competition, putting two outfits on my Instagram story and having you guys vote which one you like better, the left or the right. I think I posted like 5 or 6 different voting section things, I don't know. So I'm looking at your votes and these are the outfits that I will be recreating. Okay, so this is the first outfit and it looks like the left one has 1, which is kind of awesome because I actually own that exact skirt, which I think will be probably the easiest outfit to do. Okay, so I need the skirt, long sleeve black shirt. My secrets are revealed. I'm wearing llama pajama bottoms. Okay, so literally the exact same skirt. Pair of black boots, side chain, fishnet stockings, over the knee socks, and then the necklace that she's wearing, it looks like it's a silvery hoop. I don't have any chains that are that thick, so I'm gonna substitute it with my Bring Me the Horizon pendant. That looks like it's it. All right, let's do it. And voila! I do think that this outfit is like 100% accurate. Should we do the pose that she's doing? I felt something rip. I'm definitely not as tall as the model on there. I always think that thigh highs look kind of funny on me. Then I'm gonna go take some pictures and then I'll be back to do the outfit number 2. My dad is walking back and forth around the yard watching me take pictures and I feel very awkward. Now this was the second outfit. I was really hoping that the right one would win because I have red plaid pants and I was really excited to wear them. However, left has 1, which should be a really easy outfit. Okay, I have outfit number 2 picked out, so I'm gonna need my denim vest, a band shirt, I still have my boots, jeans. I think I'm gonna go with Queen just to keep it vintage. I wish I had the album, the Bohemian Rhapsody, with all their faces on it. That I think would be really good. Okay, this outfit was extremely easy to recreate because this is pretty much what I wear all the time. Vintage, I say vintage, I mean classic rock t-shirt underneath, the oversized denim jacket. Nailed it. Now we're gonna take some pictures. So this next one, the right one won. And these ones were a toss-up because I really liked both of them. The one on the right should be pretty easy. I have almost all of that stuff that I could wear. Okay, I love this outfit. I think it's so cute. So, yellow turtleneck. I have the plaid pants. There's a sunflower on the picture, so I wanted to incorporate that somewhere. And then the shoes. But I think this one's really cute. I think I kind of nailed it. Okay, picture time. I also don't have the cup with the straw kind of iced coffee, so I'm just using a Starbucks bottled iced coffee, so. Okay, so for this next one, this one was a toss-up too. I really wanted to do both of them. It looks like the right one won by just barely. I don't have a skirt exactly like that, or a shirt like that. Okay, yeah, this one's gonna be a little bit more problematic, but we will definitely do our best to recreate it. Okay, I'm kind of in love with myself right now. So this is the outfit. Black tank top, the exact same choker, and then the floral dotted looking skirt, and the bag. It's almost the exact same bag, which makes me so happy, except mine's kind of giant. Picture time! Okay, I am glad the left one won on this one. Hopefully it's not too much like that other one with the big t-shirt. But yeah, I have pretty much all of that stuff, so that will be really, really easy. So this is the outfit, and here are the glasses, but these glasses look really funny on me, so instead of wearing them like this, because I really don't like the way these look, I am just gonna go like this and put it up in my hair, so they're still there, but like not looking as dumb. Here's this. the boots. Think I'm gaining some quarantine weight because these used to be my oversized pants and now they fit me a little bit tight on the waist. Glad this is the last outfit before my confidence takes a crash. I kid. So picture time. And we are back. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below telling me your favorite. I really want to do this again, so I'm going to. Maybe I'll do the outfits that were voted least favorite because some of those outfits I really want to recreate. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I make a new video, and I will catch you guys in the next video.